बोलो है प्लीज stop sharing the screen. कौन है?
It started recording.
And share screen loud.
Khatija, yes, Khatija, I want you to do all your assignments, okay? I want you to complete all your assignments.
Ma'am.
Last time you have, in unit 1, you have completed all your assignments and I have given you marks for that. So now also I want you to complete all your assignments and send it to
Ma'am,
me
did I
in Google
completed
Classroom.
all the assignments in
Yes.
Unit 1?
Yes, Umayma, yes. Okay, so please keep checking your Google Classroom.
Can you tell my poem thing?
You want to read now?
Read my
You want to read a poetry. Do you remember? Okay, read. But Zainab, listen. This is not an English class. This is a science class. Okay, we'll do it in the end. Is it all right, Zingi?
Okay.
Okay. And Zainab, sit in a place where you are very visible because you are very dark. Okay. So I want everyone to sit in a nice place, comfortable place.
Mine is okay.
You are very clear.
Mine is okay.
Okay.
Mine is okay, ma'am.
Yes, you are also bright. Musfira Sayed, please, if you can, switch on your light. You are also little dark. If you could switch on your light, okay?
Zainab, you will fall.
Okay. Umar, I can't see your face, Umar. So you have to do something about your screen, Umar. Umar, can you hear me, Umar? I can't see your complete face. Okay. Umar, can you tilt your screen little bit toward you? So that I can
see him only. He's... Yeah, now I can see.
Now you are perfect, Umar. Now you are perfect. Okay, so what are we going to do right now? Okay.
Experiment.
Yes, experiment.
What experiment today? Which experiment?
I will show you. Okay, so today we are going to do our experiment. This is
Experiment
an...
time.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you make it bigger?
Yes, I can do it. Wait, okay. So this is an experiment time, okay? So
Ma'am, the bottle has fallen, but I don't see it falling.
Which bottle, Mustafa? Which bottle?
The bottle on the screen. I heard the sound, but I didn't
Mustafa,
saw it falling.
What do you hear, Mustafa? Okay, so what do we want is I have my cornstarch and I have my dishwash ready. Do you have your cornstarch and dishwash ready?
What about bowl?
Yes,
Yes.
and even bowl.
Bowl.
Yes, and a bowl. Okay, and a bowl. Okay. So
And the spoon, right?
yes.
Spoon, right?
If you have a spoon, that would be very nice. Okay.
Ma'am, everybody has a spoon, ma'am.
I don't have a spoon, so I have to mix it with my hands. Okay.
Ma'am is an odd one out.
I'm an odd one out. Okay, so this is your bowl. Okay, this is your bowl. This is my dishwash, and this is a cornstarch. Okay, so what am I going to do, and what are we going to make? We are going to make a dough. Okay, we are going to make a clay. Okay? Yes, Musfira. Yes, Musfira.
Ma'am, is this alright? Ma'am, is this good? Ma'am, is this good?
What is this, Mustafa? This is dishwash? Or this
No,
is...
not dishwash. It's
What it is, Mustafa?
Ariel.
It's Ariel for washing clothes, okay? Maybe it should work. We all are scientists and we will work out, okay? Not a problem, Mustafa, okay? We'll see whether it works with that or not.
Khadija, cornflour is the same. Cornstarch is the same and cornflour is the same.
Okay, yes, cornstarch and cornflour both are same, Khatija, okay?
Yeah, so you can use anything.
So this is my bowl. Okay, what am I going to put now first? is this. Just a minute, okay?
How much corn flour you have to use? 2 spoons?
Not much. Yeah, 2 to 3 spoons, okay? Not much. See, I'm also going to pour my corn flour into.
What you have to pour?
You have to put cornstarch into your mixing bowl.
This much, ma'am?
Just
This
put
much?
3. Yes. Is it a very
But
big?
this is very big. It's
Yes.
like
Just take,
this much.
just take 2. 2
It's
spoons.
just like this.
Okay, just take 2
What do
spoons.
you have to pour?
Wait. I'll tell you. I will not move forward until everyone understands. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, this much is all right.
Mustafa. Yes, this much is enough. Okay, this much is enough. Okay. So everyone, 2 to 3 spoons cornstarch you have to put in the mixing bowl. Okay, Musfira? Musfira?
Ma'am, hello?
Yes, Umar. Yes, Umar.
Then we have to put how much dishwash?
I will let you know. Don't put the dishwash right now. I will tell you.
Ma'am, this much you have to put.
Yes, this much is enough, Umar. This much is Umar. Enough.
This
Okay.
much is much.
This much
Umar.
is.
Okay, Umar, this much is enough.
Ma'am, this bowl.
This bowl is right. Yes. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Khatija, is it too much? Khatija, is it too much? Can you see? Show me again. Yes, Musfira. Wait. This Khatija, this is too much. Just reduce it little. Just reduce it little. You don't want to waste cornstarch. Yes, Musfira is right. I can see that
Ma'am,
it's
this
enough.
much is all right.
Ma'am, I think
Yes, it's enough.
I cannot see a screen.
Okay. I will do the speaker's view. Okay. Now can you see my screen now?
No, ma'am. It is not clear.
It's not clear.
Ma'am, I can see.
It's clear.
Ma'am,
Yes, Musfira.
ma'am,
Show me. Just a minute. Okay. Now, okay, show me.
hello?
Yes, Musfira Sayyed, show me again. Musfira Sayyed, show me again. Musfira Sayyed, I think so. This is too much. Just reduce one more, one spoon. That's it.
Hello?
Ali, yes, good Ali, good. Ali,
Ma'am,
yes,
Is this much okay?
yes, Umar. This much is okay. Fine. This much is fine.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, is this much okay? Ma'am.
yes.
Umayma.
Umayma, I can't see you. Yes, this much is fine, Umayma.
Ma'am.
Yes, Musfira.
This much.
Yes, everybody is fine. Only the thing is, if you'll take more, you will get more dough. And if you will take little less, you will get the little piece of clay. Is it fine? Now what you have to do? Now you have to be very, very careful. I hope everyone has taken the cornstarch in the mixing bowl. Now you have to be very, very diligent. Diligent means you have to be very, very careful, okay? While putting this dishwash.
Ma'am,
Okay?
is this one okay?
Yes, this one is fine. Why, Umar? Umar, can you log in? We will wait for you, Umar. Yes, this dishwash is fine. Yes, Umar. Yes, Umar. But don't pour the entire thing. We will put it very little. Just 1 or 2 drops. Okay, Umar? At a time. See, I am going to put. Can you see my screen? I will do the
Yeah.
view again. Now
Ma'am, I
can you?
cannot see your screen. It is not available.
It's not visible.
Ma'am, I know the best way to put it. First put it in the spoon, then
Yes, you can do that.
Put it.
Yes, Manha. Manha, just wait. Just wait.
mix it now.
No, you don't have to mix it now. Musfira, wait for 2 minutes, Musfira. Musfira, wait. Actually, wait, beta, wait, I'm coming back. Just a minute.
Your
Just a
voice
minute.
is breaking.
Okay. Okay. Just give me a minute.
And your picture is one
Okay.
way like it.
Okay. Let me just. Actually, what has happened is I have this dishwash got stuck in my fingers, so I was not able to move it. Okay, I was not able to move my mouse. Okay, so now I have come back. So this is my cornstarch, and now I'm going to pour my dishwash into.
Ma'am, how much if I have this spoon?
Wait, I'll tell you. Wait, everyone. Wait, everyone. I will tell you how much you have to put. Just take 1 spoon, not more than that. Just 1 spoon, okay? I am going to.
Dishwash.
Yes, dishwash. Dishwash, just 1 spoon.
Now we have to mix it.
Yes, now just 1 spoon, not more than that. Just 1 spoon, okay? And mix
Yeah.
it. Just mix it with the spoon, okay? If you have a spoon, just mix it with the spoon. I'm going to use my hand, okay? Okay, I'm using my hand. You can use spoon if you want.
One spoon.
Yes. Now start mixing it. How do you knead atta? Have you seen mommy kneading atta in kitchen?
Yes.
Yes.
I've even done it.
Okay. You have knead atta, Umaima? Have you
Yes.
ever- Yes. Okay.
Yes.
That's nice.
It was fun doing it.
It was really fun. Okay. Did you knead your atta or did you knead the cornstarch? Are you
No,
kneading
it's
it?
not still nice.
Okay. So now I have got little sticky kind of
Yeah.
consistency. Okay. So I'm going to add little more. You have to make it just like an atta. Okay.
Okay.
So if it does not turn into atta, it should not become sticky. Okay. It should just look like an atta.
I think I need more.
If it has become too sticky, you can add little more cornstarch.
It has become blocks.
Blocks, show me, Umaima.
I'll show you one minute.
Show me the entire thing.
1 minute, I'll show you.
I'm also mixing my.
What will be?
Look, ma'am.
Yes, Umaima.
Look.
Wait,
very-
Umar. I'll come back. Come to you. Umaima,
It's
you need
like
to.
this.
Umaima, you need to add little more dishwash, not too much, okay? Just little more.
Okay.
So see, it should become like little solid kind of thing. Can you see this?
Okay.
Yes, Umar. You were saying something, Umar. Tell me.
Like it should be like atta.
Yes, it should be exactly like an atta. See? Can you see that, Umar?
Or ye
Yes.
क्यों डाले?
Don't put too much of dishwash, okay? Just be very diligent and very careful while putting the dishwash.
थोड़ा सा विम्बा चाहिए इसको बस. नहीं. I can do with my hand.
Yes, you can do it with your hand. Yes, you have to actually.
I'm doing with my hand.
Yes.
Me too.
I'm also doing with my hand. Because I can't do it good with
With
the
this spoon.
I am adding little more dishwash to it because it is my dough is little hard.
Mine is just like a powder, ma'am.
Just like a powder, then you have to add little
Mine
more
is
dishwash.
little hard. Mine is little hard.
Just add 1 drop to it, not more than that, okay? It should not become very sticky. It should look like a clay, okay? It should look like a clay.
Ma'am, how did your happen and why is not our happening?
It will happen. It will happen. See, can you see?
Yeah, I can
Like
see
a-
yours.
Yes, it's just like a clay, okay? So very
But
nice.
mine is not happening.
Squishy clay. We are making a clay, Umar. I know there are a lot of ways.
Ma'am, it's still like powder.
See? No, so add little
Yeah,
more
still like
dishwash.
powder.
Yes, or add little more dishwash.
This one whole spoon should I add? One whole spoon.
It should not become. Just add half spoon. Umaima, just add half spoon.
Okay.
Zainab, show me yours. Ali, show me yours.
Yeah, I can see. But first I want to.
Okay, mix it, mix it. I will give you enough time to mix it. Khatija and Musfira Rizwani, turn on your screen so that I can see your what you all are doing. Okay. Musfira, Sayyed, show me. Where have you reached? Musfira, Sayyed. Yes, Umar. Wow, very nice. Okay, what color ball is that, Umar?
Yellow.
Yellow. Mine is blue in color, light blue. Everybody
Now
will
it's
get different
sticky,
colors.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's sticky.
It has become very sticky. Show me, Umaima. Oh no, just keep on kneading. Just keep on kneading. Or maybe
You know, my brother,
this is
it was not
this is
happening
science
because there
class.
was water. So my brother took some dishwash from the kitchen, new dishwash.
Okay. See, listen. My dough has become really good. See, can you see that? I'll show you. See, can you see that?
Ma'am, see, it's
Wow.
become yellow.
Ah, you have a yellow colored dough. Okay. Okay. Mustafa, Musfira is done. See, keep on kneading
It's
it. Okay.
sticky.
It's sticky.
Yeah, keep on. What do you have to do now after doing this?
After doing this, your clay is ready. Just keep kneading. Okay. Like this. Keep squishing it.
Ma'am,
Wow. Oh no, Umaima, this is too liquidy. Umaima, you need to add cornstarch. Just add little more cornstarch. That is why I
this
said
whole spoon.
yes. This whole spoon. Yes.
Make a time.
See, I said no. You have to be very careful while pouring the dishwash. You can't add too much. Khatija, show me yours. Khatija, why are you so upset, Khatija? Who's teasing you? Is Rushda teasing you or your brother is teasing you? Rushda is teasing you. She has become very naughty. Bring her to the screen. Bring her to the screen. Rushda, come on the screen. Rushda, I want to see you. Rushda, are you there? Rushda, I want to see you. Why Khatija is so upset? We are doing an experiment.
Ma'am, it's very good. I want to play with it.
Yes, see, my dough is the best. I think so. Khatija, look at me, Khatija, and start doing it. It's all right. It's all right. I will call her and I will shout at her. Why did you tease my Khatija? Okay? Okay, Khatija? Be happy, Khatija.
I don't
Khatija, be
need
happy
help.
and smile. See,
Ma'am, it is
smile.
not good. It is
No.
not very light. And when I do like this, it just breaks.
No, it has to break. It's all right. It will break because it is very soft. Okay?
मेरा experiment
Okay, Musfira, is your clay really hard or it's soft? Just feel it. It's soft. It's nice. Keep on knitting. Okay?
Okay.
Very nice.
Very soft.
Okay. Zainab, are you done? Zainab, show me yours.
Ma'am, look at mine.
What
Ma'am,
happened,
look
Ali?
at mine.
Show me. Yes, that's nice, Umaima. That's very nice.
I want to make
Yes.
the color.
Okay, Musfira is done. Umaima is doing it. Umar, show me yours. Umar. Very nice. Okay. Zainab, show me yours. Show me your clay.
Perfect.
It's all right. It's all right. We will do it. Okay.
Ma'am.
If you feel, it's still powdery, Zainab. It has to be
Ma'am.
like a dough. Yes, Mustafa.
Ma'am, I accidentally added
I like my
a
color.
lot of
My
dishwash,
color.
so
Wait.
it
If
works.
everyone is going to
It
speak
works.
together, I will not be able to hear. Yes, Mustafa, tell me what you are doing.
I accidentally added too much dishwash, so it worked.
It worked. Show me your clay.
I have to mix
It should not become like a liquidy. Okay, it should not a liquid consistency. It should be like a dough. Okay. Manha, show me yours, Manha. Yes. Okay, I can see that. Yes, it's turning well. Okay. And Khatija, show me yours. Have you done something? Wow. That's nice, Khatija. Very good. Very good, Khatija. Very nice. Okay. Okay, Ali, show me yours. I have not
My
seen
clay
it.
is awesome.
Ma'am, look.
Wow, that's
So
nice.
awesome.
We can play with it, right?
Ma'am,
Yes,
mine
Ali?
is blue color.
Yours is blue
Mine
color.
is
Show
also
me.
blue color.
Yeah.
Wow, why? Because most of the detergents
ये
are blue
मेरा है,
in
आपका
color.
sand clay है ना?
Yes,
ये
Ali.
मेरा है.
Yellow. Then that becomes yellow.
Okay. I want to speak to
I put
Ali.
it
I want to
yellow
speak to Ali.
and blue color.
Please, everyone, mute
Okay.
yourself except Ali. Ali, tell me. Oh, wow, you have already done it, Ali. Okay. Okay, everyone is done. Is everyone done? Zainab, I have not seen yours. Please quickly do it.
रुको, मैं एक और ही
Fira is done. Khatija is done. Umar is done. Okay. Mustafa is done. Manha and Zainab, you all are left. Please show me quickly.
पहले पाउडर डालते फिर डिश वॉश डालते.
Even Aisha is
डिश वॉश है
interested.
ना?
Even Abdullah is interested, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm also making her.
Now I will.
I'm also making one for her.
Okay. Now I am going to ask Aisha and Abdullah to be there always in QD session. Okay.
Abdullah, you have to be always in cuties.
Okay. See, is everyone done? Okay. Now what am I going to do next is this. I have my plastic bag. Okay. I have my plastic bag and I have put little bit what I have made it yesterday.
It's like 1 month.
So now what will I do is I am going to put my clay inside this plastic bag.
But why?
I am
Can't
going
we
to put
play?
it if yeah, y'all can play definitely. Oh, Rushda is over here. I can see that. Okay, Rushda. Please don't tease my Khatija. Okay, Rushda. It's all right. So I'm going to put my clay into this plastic bag so that it will not get dry. And whenever I want to play with it, I can remove it. And if it becomes dry, then you have to add little bit water to it, and it will be in the same consistency again. Yes, Ali.
We can make a brother also, na?
Yes, you can do it. You all are my scientists, okay? Okay, now what I want you all to do is please quickly go wash your hands. If you're done, please wash your hands and come back. You already wash? Okay. Even I have to go.
Mama.
Wow, your dough is really big and it is very nice. Very good. Is it soft, Umayma? Is it soft?
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
like clay? Just like clay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now you
But
can,
it's a bit hard. It's a bit hard.
so you have to put little bit water either or a little bit of dishwash, not too much, okay? Just 1 drop. Okay, let me just wash my hands and come back, okay? Please,
Me too.
everybody come back soon. Just wash your hands and come back.
Bye.
No bye. You have to come back to the session. Umayma.
Yeah, I'm going to wash my.
Okay.
I'm going to play with my clay. हाँ तो आपको चाहिए बनाना आपके क्लास के बाद मैं दूंगी अभी थोड़े क्लास मैं पक्का दूंगा मैम कितने होगा उसके बाद go to wash their hands. Next class में उसको books जो कॉन्सर्ट था ना जब बाहर चलाए थे वो चाहिए और है ना विनेगर बोल डिशवॉश चाहिए उसको एक बोल में डालेगा और डालेगा I come back मैं कोई क्लिप बनाऊंगी कल कैसे कम बैक I'll make very big
Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Are you all back?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, is everyone back?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will learn something, okay? We have made a clay. We will play also and we'll learn something about it.
Okay.
Let me share my screen, okay?
ये डाले ना डिशवॉशर के लिए
Just wait, okay? Now can you see my screen? Umaima?
Yeah.
Umaima?
Yeah. Yes. Cornstarch and dishwash.
Okay, now why it is not moving? It gets stuck sometime.
At our test day also it got stuck.
Yes.
The tree was always with
Yes.
you only.
See, again it got stuck. Sometime my
Now
laptop is not...
cornstarch and dishwash just like you.
Okay, we'll try it again. We'll not lose hope. It's all right. We all are scientists.
Yeah.
We can't lose hope, right? It is not moving ahead. Hope everyone is back. Hope everyone is back. Is everyone back?
I am back.
I am back for hours.
Okay, now it will move.
Me too.
Okay.
Experiment time.
Okay, now can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are going to, what are we going to do is, we are going to learn two properties of material. You know, what is the chapter,
Okay.
what chapter we are doing?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
versus
No,
flexible.
it's just a topic. What chapter we are doing? Do you know that?
Materials.
Yes, changing materials. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the properties of material. It's very simple, but you have to use this word. Okay, please everyone mute yourself. Please, I want everyone to mute themselves. I don't want to mute them. Please everybody mute. Musfira Sayed mute. Manha mute. Everyone. Who else?
और थोड़ा सा cornstarch डालो.
Okay, please mute. Now no doing experiment.
चम्मच से डालो.
Okay, I know Mustafa. Mustafa, mute yourself. And no doing
She is making
experiment.
herself.
Okay, good. Okay, you are just guiding her. Okay. So now listen. Now we are going to learn two properties of material. What is rigid and flexible? So you have to use it. Use these words. Okay, rigid and flexible. So what is rigid and flexible? Who is annotating? Okay, who is annotating? Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
So now,
I know what is rigid and what is flexible.
okay, Umaima, go ahead and tell me what is rigid and what is flexible.
Rigid is that we can't means rigid is that we can't bend it. And
Okay.
flexible is like we can blend it like our clay. We can blend our
Very
clay.
nice. Very nice.
And
Okay.
rigid is we can't bend our spoon.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So now what is rigid? Rigid is when we cannot change the shape, like this scissor. Can you see the scissor on the screen? And even I am holding the scissor. So,
Yes.
yes. So just a minute. I'll just stop share and okay. So this is the scissor with me. Okay. So can I change the shape of the scissor? Can I change? Okay. No, I can't change the shape of the scissor. That means it is
No.
rigid. Okay. It is rigid. Khatija. And what is flexible then? I have shown you a paper. Okay. I have shown you a paper.
Flexible means what folds.
No, which I can change the shape in any form. That is called as flexible. I can change it. See, it was rectangular. Yes, it was a rectangular in shape, and now I squeezed it. So now, see, it has become like a ball. Okay, it has become like a ball. Okay, so this is flexible. Okay.
It's crumpled.
Yes, it's crumpled. Yes, very nice word, Umaima. So now, let me share it again. Stop sharing. Is it going down? It's again not going down. Wait. Sometime it does not move. Why it does not move?
This picture likes to that, so I did
Just-
not leaving you.
Just a minute. Okay. So now what you have to do is you have to identify the materials at home that is flexible and rigid. Okay, identify what are they used for. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to identify, you have to look around and you have to see what materials are flexible and what materials are rigid, and then you have to think what are they used for. Okay, I will explain you. Wait, Musfira, I will come back to you. So we are going on a material hunt. Okay, material hunt for flexible and rigid. Okay, where are we going? We are going for a material hunt. Okay, is my voice breaking? Manha,
No,
you are
ma'am.
still doing the experiment. Manha,
No.
please leave that and come back. Manha, come back on the
Yeah,
screen.
now it's breaking.
Is my voice breaking?
Ma'am, now it's breaking. Yeah, now it's breaking.
Your voice is clear.
Okay. Just try to listen very, very careful. Now we are going to go on a material hunt. So what will you do is you have to go and search any one material. Okay, it could be flexible or it could be a rigid material. Okay, but what you have to do is you have to think, what is this used for? What is this used for? Tell me.
Drinking.
Okay, this is used for drinking, but I have to think of a new way in which I can use this material. Like,
For painting. You
yes,
can put in water and
yes, I can use this for keeping comb, for keeping my brushes, whatever. Or maybe, Mustafa, wait, Mustafa, you have to mute yourself. Okay. Or, for what? Yes, Musfira, for plants and for, like, you know, I can turn it upside down and I can use it as a candle stand. Okay, so this is what I have thought. Okay, so quickly all of you go and select one, either flexible or a rigid material, and then you have to tell me what is this used for. Okay, or a creative way of using that material.
got it, ma'am.
Got it? Okay, good.
I got a ball.
Okay, we will wait for everyone and then we'll start. Okay, Musfira, wait. No, Umaima, wait.
Oh, this can move a lot.
It could be a flexible material or it could be a rigid material.
Ma'am,
could be
this
anything.
is a rigid material.
Wait. We'll start.
Ma'am.
Let everyone come back so that
Ma'am,
nobody
then
miss.
came behind you.
Yes, I got really scared. Do you know that, Umaima?
Man, I brought up my mobile.
Okay, yes. Okay, so we will start now. Okay, can we start with Umaima because she came first? Okay, Umaima, go ahead.
Got a bowl. It is used for eating, but I will use for
It could be a silly use also. Okay, you have to be more, very, very creative. Go ahead, Umaima.
I will use for
Tell me quickly. Okay, wait. It is Umaima's turn. Let her complete. What will you use this for?
I can get
to keep
Tell me. What is this?
to keep fake flowers, paper flowers.
Yes. So you can use
And I will
this.
paint on this, or I make a huge clay and record with this.
Okay. You can. She can use this for keeping the paper flowers. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Very good. Now who's next? Okay. Musfira Rizwani. Okay. I'll give chance to her. Musfira Rizwani, go ahead.
Ma'am, I came first, then Musfira Rizwani.
It's all right, Mustafa. I will give you the third chance. Okay, Mustafa, not a problem.
This is mobile.
Everybody will get. Wait. We will all listen to Musfira Rizwani. So everybody mute yourself except Musfira Rizwani. Okay. Acha, Umayma, wait, just a minute, Musfira. Umayma, the material you showed me, what was it? Was it flexible or rigid?
Rigid.
Yes, okay, it was rigid. Now we'll go back to Musfira. So you have to first tell me what material is that, what is that used for, and what in other ways or creative way we can use that material. Okay?
This is rigid. This is not fold.
Okay, this is rigid.
Yes, and we can play. We can play this, and we can play, and we can see videos.
But this is the original use of that mobile phone. I want some. What, Musfira Sayyed?
When is the class going to end? I'm
Why?
bored.
You are bored, you can leave the class, Musfira. Musfira, you can leave the class if you are bored, okay? And then I will speak to your mama, Musfira.
I am bored too.
Khatija, even you are bored. Why, Khatija?
Mama, my mom already listed everything.
Okay. Khatija, what happened to you? Why are you so bored? It's not such a boring class, Khatija.
I'm bored.
Okay, then you... Yes, Khatija, tell me. So what do you want to do, Khatija?
I want to color.
You want to color, but this is not an art class, Khatija. It's a science class. We are
You
learning
can see
something.
video.
What happened, Khatija? Why are you not enjoying the class? Okay, so if you all are not enjoying the class, you all can take a break, okay? But you all are going to miss everything.
I'm enjoying.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Manha, tell me. Yes,
No,
Manha.
ma'am. We did not miss because this is recording and this is going to YouTube.
Okay. This is the recording. You can see it later on. Okay, Musfira Sayyed and Khatija, if you want, you can leave the class. Okay, and I will continue with the other kids. You can see the recording later on. Okay, fine.
Take it afterwards. That is.
Okay, so now we will continue the class. Okay. Now who is, okay, where I was. Okay, now show me whose turn it was. Yes, it's Musfira Rizwani's turn. Musfira, this is the original use of it. Tell me some creative and silly way of using that. Yes, wait. We'll wait for Musfira Rizwani to do it.
A scissor.
A scissor.
Yes.
How you are going to use your mobile phone? You said it is rigid, okay? Then how you are going to use your mobile phone for that? Tell me quickly. Any other silly way of using that? Can anyone help Musfira Rizwani?
Yes.
Okay, Manha. Yes. Okay, go ahead and tell me. Wait, let Manha speak and then afterward I'll give you chance. Okay, ma'am. Tell me.
For do Zoom.
But that is all known to everyone, okay? That we can use mobile phone for Zoom meeting. Any other silly creative thing which you can use?
I have.
Yes,
I
Umami,
have.
tell me, go ahead.
After it gets like if it gets like if it finishes if the phone gets discharged,
Foil,
yeah.
yes. If
If
the phone gets,
phone gets discharged, if the phone gets spoiled, so you can use it just like to play like that.
okay. So Umayma said, Musfira, you can use your phone when it is spoiled completely. You can use it as a toy mobile phone or as a stand to keep something. Okay. And yes, Manha.
I have a mobile that is not working.
Yes.
I play Fortnite.
Okay, okay, good, very good, Manha, very nice. Okay, Musfira, now whose turn? Can I give
My turn,
chance
ma'am.
to?
My turn. My
Okay,
turn.
I will go to Mustafa first. I will go to Musfira. Umar, I want to see you on the screen. Umar, please come back on the screen. Ali and Umar. Yes. Okay, very nice. Umar, I can't see you on the screen. Okay, I want to always see your screen.
Me.
Wait. Okay, Mustafa, go ahead.
Third.
Mustafa, go ahead.
This is a rigid object. We use it for highlighting.
Okay. So what are we going to use that for? Any something creative,
Highlighting.
something? No, this is used for highlighting. But
For
what is?
scribbling.
Yes, for scribbling. But what are the other use you can use for? Not other use. Anything like, you know, which we usually don't use that for, but you have something creative way of using that.
Ma'am, I know. I can help him.
Think. Even
With a gun like this.
yes. Now you have understood. Like a gun, you can use this. Okay,
I
very
have
nice.
already understood at the first chance.
Okay,
Or you can
very
even.
okay. Now can we go to
Ma'am,
Umar?
I understand.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to say you can even remove the cap and you can keep some small things in that.
Okay, that is also a very creative way of using it. Okay, Umar, can we go to you, Umar? Wait, Manha. After that, I'll come to you. Umar.
And groups you will make now.
Umar, are you there, Umar? What have you got, Umar? Please share with us.
I have brought on charger.
Okay.
flexible.
It is used for charging. Okay,
Yes.
and what is the other way you can use that charger for?
I have one thing.
Wait, Ali, I will give you the chance. Umar, think quickly, think. Do you want more time to think? I will go to some other student.
What did Umar brought, ma'am?
And is it rigid or is it flexible? Umar, first tell me that. Is it rigid or flexible?
What did he brought?
Yes, it's flexible. The wire is flexible. The charger, Umaima, the charger.
Oh.
The charger. He got the charger. Okay, it's flexible. Okay, do you want to think little more, Umar? Tell me what other things you can use that for.
Ma'am, I know.
Wait,
For
Umaima, wait.
decorating our room.
Wait, let him think. Okay, till that time, I can go to Zainab. Manha is also left. Zainab, and then after that, I'll go to Manha, okay? Zainab, tell me. What you have got? Zainab, you have to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Okay. Is sponge rigid or flexible? Okay.
And it's squishy, so it's like a stretchy lever.
Okay.
I could stay with it a lot, and I make some things with it, like a lot things with it.
What thing, Mom? Zainab, you have to be very, very specific. What thing you're going to make with the sponge?
Like toy.
Which toy?
You can make for your doll a pillow or a bed.
Yes. Yes, Zainab. We can make doll out of it, or you can make a pillow out of that. Small pillow for your doll. Okay. Okay. Now we will go to Manha. Manha, quickly. And after this, do you know I have an announcement? After this, we have a Rubik's Cube class. Okay. Are you all excited for that? Yes.
I know that.
Yes.
I
Okay,
also
good.
know
Very
that.
nice. Okay, Manha will go to Manha and Ali, and then we'll close the class. Okay. So Manha, quickly go ahead.
This is pad.
Okay. Yes. Is it rigid or flexible, Manha? Is it rigid
Ma'am,
or
I can't
flexible?
hear Manha.
Yes, even I can't hear.
cube, but it is not a solvent cube.
Wait, Ali, you wait for your turn. Wait, let Manha go ahead.
We used to paper to
We use this to, yes, tell me quickly, what are the use of the board? It's an exam board, right? We used to write, okay? On that, we can keep a paper and we can write. Okay, tell me. Or we can clip it.
yes.
But tell me a creative way.
Ma'am, can I tell now?
Who is this Musfira Syed? Yes, Musfira Syed, because you all were not interested in the class, I'm not giving you chance in this session. Okay, Musfira? Yes, Manha, please go ahead.
We used to color these pictures.
Oh, you can color this. You can use it as a paper, okay? Right, Manha? Wow, that's very nice. Very good.
Digital.
Okay, it's digital also. Okay, who else is left? Ali is left. Okay, Ali, after that we will end the class. Ali, quickly tell me.
Ma'am, Khatija?
No, we are going to end the class after this.
I have a flexible thing.
Yes.
We can paint the wall
Okay, and
and we can make anything for that.
what did you show, Ali? Please show it to me again. This is clay. Okay. Yes, clay. Okay. Clay, we use it for.
We can paint also in the wall.
Okay, you can put this as a decorative item on the wall. Yes? Right, Ali?
Ma'am,
Okay.
this is play. We can play.
Acha, in my next class.
We
Listen.
can design also.
Okay, in my next class, I want you all to bring the clay back. Okay, so we will do something with the clay. Okay? So,
Okay, and Rubik Cube also, na?
Rubik Cube is in the next class. In the next class. Okay, this is, I'm talking about the science class. Okay, on Monday, you have to get this. Okay? But okay, now we have a Rubik's Cube class. Take lot of rest. Khatija, Musfira, please, you all leave the session. Okay, everyone. I'm not angry with any one of you all. I love my kids. And be ready with your Rubik's Cube.
Okay, bye.
And next time, bye everyone. Bye everyone.
Bye.
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 Musfira, I will call you. Musfira, I will call you and I will
Ma'am,
speak
you
to you.
wanted to do an announcement.
I don't want to do an announcement. Umayma, be ready with your Rubik's Cube. Okay, we have a next class.
Yeah.
And Shazana, which time?
What time? 12 o'clock. Manha, 12 o'clock we have a Rubik's Cube class. Okay, just be ready with your Rubik's Cube. Okay, chalo, bye bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.